Hey guys, we're live at 6:51 and we are running a mini for Shawn's AFA Yak Face. I got 40 spots here. Then I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our top 3 winners. Copy here. Paste them over here. 40 spots, which is rad. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5 for action. We got a 4, so I'm rolling again. There it is. Possibly lucky 7. As we get down to business. Good luck, everybody. Eddie takes round 1. And 2. Joe, 3. And 4, this time with number 27. Troy in the top spot for our round 5 with number 3. Don takes the penultimate round with number 38, bringing us to the final round. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. Our winners are CJ, Don, and Eddie. Congrats, fellas. There's everyone else. Here's the verification. We'll make it official. ZNHWXK. There's our winners. I'm finished at 6:52. There it is. One last time. Here's our victors. Congratulations, guys. See you next time. Thanks.